crypto market's continuing to consolidate. For me, accumulation has become a really big focus, in particular, altcoin accumulation. In this video, I want to break down an altcoin that very much has my attention. What is up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Hit the subscribe and like on the way in. It means a lot to me. Let's jump into the video. A couple of really important things. Number one, I'm not that YouTuber, and you know this if you watch my YouTube channel. I'm not the YouTuber that's doing like nonstop 100x thumbnails, 100x crypto gains, like quick gains, get rich. I'm not that person. I'm really not. But I want to say this. Those opportunities, I really think they're out there, right? I think we all know they're out there. And I want to more strategically begin covering those higher risk plays. Because listen, they are higher risk, which leads me to my second point. This isn't financial advice, everybody. I'm a crypto YouTuber, investor, tracking my journey. That's all I'm doing. I'm tracking the data, trying to find opportunities. I've been doing this for years, and I want to start really digging in now on a deeper level to some of these opportunities. I want to start covering some of these altcoins because I think with where crypto is right now, the opportunity is extremely strong. And I want to start to lay some groundwork to this in particular altcoin and the picture of my approach to altcoins and these altcoins that can deliver ridiculous gains. I want to start and I want to really quickly mention Chainlink. Chainlink sitting at number 19 on market cap, and you'll understand why I'm talking about this in a few minutes. 19 on market cap with a $9 billion market cap. And let's click that real quick and open this. And I want to just show you historically, right? And this is a big piece of my approach right now. It's experience. I would have hoped back here I was accumulating a little bit more Chainlink. And let me actually open up the market cap chart. So back here, let's just go back real quick. February 2019, for instance, $156 million. These altcoins on Ethereum, it would have been great to accumulate more of them. I was very focused on Bitcoin, especially in the last bear market. But $156 million for Ethereum or for Chainlink, earlier stage Ethereum a couple years ago, and then before then, 120 million in 2018, May 2018. It went on at one point this past spring to over 20 billion, $22 billion market cap on this chart, right? So 120 million all the way to 22 billion. And Chainlink at top 20 right now, the go-to oracle of Ethereum. That's probably a very important part of the video. A go-to oracle, the go-to oracle on Ethereum. So the reason I'm mentioning that is because what if, and you all know I'm extremely bullish on Cardano, the ecosystem, the blockchain that is, it's been alive, but it's coming alive. It's waking up, right? The projects are starting to really just deploy and go live and get ready to go live. They've just been building. It's been exciting. The story that we always talk about on the weekly chart, the staking mechanism that came to fruition back last summer, the multi-asset ledger most recently in March 2021, smart contracts most recently, just a few months ago, back in September, the Plutus application backend for developers getting ready right now to deploy to production on Cardano blockchain, right? Smart contracts, they're waking up, everybody. And with this stage of Cardano, I cannot help but think about the early stage of Ethereum and all those altcoins that would have been very nice to accumulate in that early stage. Well, here we are in Cardano, and I think so much of the crypto market is sleeping on this opportunity. And so I want to start covering these altcoins. And in particular, in this video, I want to just break down one, right? To paint the picture of this approach, this Cardano altcoin approach, we could call it. So we have just great opportunity, Chainlink, that we saw just years ago for the oracle of Ethereum. And here we are, Charlie, the Cardano's decentralized oracle. If you're not aware of who Charlie is, I'll put a link in the description. You can check him out. This, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. But just check this out. Even right here in the middle of the page, official, CertiK, and IOHK audit. What if Charlie, let's call it C3, what if it succeeds as Cardano's oracle and Cardano does continue to succeed? It's all right. Cardano's a top 10, everybody, and it's holding its own, and it's just getting started. It really is just getting started. So what if this go-to oracle succeeds, Charlie, and it becomes the Chainlink of Ethereum, right? But on Cardano. Let's check some data on Charlie, C3. This is where we're at. And this is why I want to cover this. This is why my eyes are on this. We just looked at Chainlink, an opportunity sitting just above $100 million in market cap. Well, here's C3 sitting at 12 million, almost $13 million market cap with, look at this, $90,000 in trading volume. So what if this succeeds as the go-to oracle of Cardano? What are the potential gains? So let's go back to CoinGecko. I just want to paint a really quick picture on potential gains, right? We know it. We know Chainlink succeeded in doing its thing. Top 20 coin right now, sitting at 9 billion. Once was 22 billion. Let's scroll down in the top 100 on Coin Market Cap, or this is actually CoinGecko, but in market cap. Top 100. So down here we have 1.1 billion. So if C3 say C3 hits $1 billion market cap, and I'm not talking about next week, everybody. I'm not even talking about next month. This could be a long-term play. Becomes the go-to oracle on Cardano. Cardano just doing its thing, the ecosystem exploding. And let's say Charlie reaches $1 billion market cap. It's still not even in the top 100. So the go-to oracle of Ethereum is in the top 20. I think it's realistic to say that the go-to Cardano oracle could sit at $1 billion, not even in the top 100. That's realistic. $1 billion market cap for C3 would bring, from where it is right now, that would be a 80x or more gain from where it is right now. Now, let's talk about some downside, right? Crypto markets right now is very much up in the air. Nobody in the world knows what's going to happen next with crypto markets. Many people saying continuation of bull market. Many people saying we're about to enter a bear market. But let's say we enter a bear market. Let's say Charlie goes down to 30 cents, right? 50% dip from where it is right now, sitting at like a $6 million market cap. What if that happens? Well, then we're talking about if in the years to come it succeeds and it becomes $1 billion market cap, we're looking at a gain of like 160x or more for C3. That risk reward for me is exactly what I'm looking for, because the reason why is because I'm long term in Cardano. I'm very much long term in Cardano. I'm waiting for Cardano to grow through the cycles, through the Bitcoin cycles, through the crypto cycles. I'm patient in regards to Cardano, so therefore I'm patient in regards to these altcoins building on Cardano, in particular the oracle of Cardano, which is Charlie. I'm patient, right? So the risk reward that is here in this data for me is like, wow. So this is why this is one altcoin on Cardano. This is one. There's more, and I want to start covering them. This is why I'm just watching it. I'm accumulating it slowly, and I think there's a lot of opportunity in the long term if they succeed. Just look at this. Here's this is Damon talking about Charlie on IOHK. This is an IOHK tweet that they retweeted. Scroll down. Here's another IOHK. They're featuring Charlie. They're featuring Sunday Swap. Like, do you see the opportunity? And we're talking about this is all happening right now. This is December 15th. This is December 17th, like just yesterday. And this potential oracle on Cardano, the go-to oracle of Cardano, sitting at $12 million market cap. I don't know what's going to happen. Obviously, when you go to markets, this is it, Uniswap, right? So that turns a lot of people off because they just don't like using Uniswap, especially for Cardano projects. But it's so early right now, in my opinion. That's why I'm watching it, and I just wanted to share that with you. I want to really start digging into some of these opportunities. You all know I'm sitting here as an investor just like you, right? I'm trying to find those opportunities. It's why most of us got into crypto. We're looking for just long-term success for our families, right? And beyond that, Cardano has really started to become very compelling from a technical perspective. The ideas that can be built, the innovations that can be built on Cardano have been really, really fun to watch now as I've learned more about the blockchain and what it offers. World Mobile, you know, just connecting the unconnected. So many good things can come out of Cardano blockchain. So yes, we want to focus on those things, but also simultaneously, there's opportunity. I think right now for this early stage blockchain, which is Cardano in particular, the altcoins being built on it, very in particular, the go-to Oracle on Cardano. So wanted to share it. Let me know your thoughts. Just let me know your thoughts below. What do you think about Charlie, what they're doing? Do you think, am I way off in terms of where this could potentially go to? Would love to hear your thoughts. Altcoins that you're liking right now for similar gains. Would love to know your thoughts and ideas there. Maybe we can cover some of those. Appreciate all of you. Hit the subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.